Oh, they're right there. Watch this. Go, 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 go! 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 Go!
Yo, I just made my voice sound like Drake, ... No joke. Listen to this. Then I switched to the Weeknd. And yeah, even Beyoncé, I didn't hire anyone. I used this AI. It's called Voice AI 2025. Literally picks any celebrity voice. And boom you. Just type what you want. Click generate. And it sounds crazy, real lucid for songs, funny skits, gaming content, or just to freak out your friends want to try this out. Comment voice me below and share this with someone who needs it. Follow for the full tool list. Drop in tomorrow.